Good morning, students. So we will see the interior and the exterior of a circle. You can see this circle, right? And you can also see the points over here. So some are on the circle and some are in the interior of the circle and some are in the exterior of the circle. It means थोड़े पॉइंट सर्कल के ऊपर है. You can see point K, point L, point M, point N are points on the circle, right? ये सर्कल के ऊपर है. And कुछ पॉइंट सर्कल के अंदर है. Point P, point Q, point R and point T are points in the interior of the circle. ये सर्कल के अंदर है, means interior of the circle, okay? And कुछ पॉइंट सर्कल के बाहर है. Point A, B, C, D are points in the exterior of the circle, okay? Means ये सर्कल के बाहर है, okay? On the circle, interior of the circle and exterior of the circle. Got it? So now we will do problem set number 30. Question is in the table below, write the names of the points in the interior and the exterior of the circle and those on the circle, okay? So here table is given, so you can see this diagram, right? Now first one is points in the interior of the circle. Interior of the circle means circle के अंदर. So point Y, T, X and R. Y, T, X and R are points in the interior of the circle, okay? ये point circle के अंदर है, right? Now points in the exterior of the circle, जो point circle के बाहर है. So point W, M, Z है ना? W, M and Z. Done. Now points on the circle. On the circle means circle के ऊपर. So only one point is there on the circle, that is, sorry, 2 points. Point P and N. P and N. P and N. Done. So we are done with problem set number 30 now. So now we will see the circumference of a circle and an arc of a circle, okay? So the circumference of a circle, all the points which are on the circles forms the circular edge. This is circular edge, okay? Wind a string once around it, unwind this circle and straighten it. It means if we cut the circle, we make one line, one scale, okay? Then the length of that scale is the circumference of the circle, okay? For example, if this is circle, right? Okay, this is circle. If I cut this circle from here, then it becomes like this, right? Then the length of this line will be the circumference of this circle, okay? Now an arc of a circle. On the given circle there are points A and B. You can see A and B, right? These 2 points have divided the circle into 2 parts. Have divided the circle into 2 parts. Okay? A and B are the end points of both arcs. This is arc. Okay? Done. A and B are the end points of both arcs. ये दोनों arc end कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Point A and B पे, right? From the name arc AB, we cannot say विच ऑफ द टू आर्क्स वी आर स्पीकिंग ऑफ. इट मीन्स अगर मैं सिर्फ बोलूँगी कि आर्क ए बी, तो मुझे नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा कि मैं कौन से आर्क के बारे में बात करी. ये भी आर्क ए बी है और ये भी आर्क ए बी है, राइट. फॉर दिस एक एडिशनल पॉइंट दिया है बीच में, हियर P and here Q, right. Now we can say arc APB, arc AQB, right. Understood? Now if I say arc APB, it means I am talking about this arc, right. If I say arc AQB, I am talking about this arc. If I only say arc AB, then we will be confused that about which arc I am talking about, right. That's why I gave point P here and point Q here. Done. Now this is arc APB and this is arc AQB. Understood? So now we will do problem set number 31. First question is, in the figure given alongside, means this, points S, L, M and N are on the circle. You can see point S, L, M and N are in this circle. Circle के ऊपर point से ये. Answer the questions with the help of the diagram. Now we have to answer the following questions with the help of this diagram. So first one is question number 1. Write the names of the arcs with end points S and M. You can see here point S and point M. You have to name two arcs with end points S and M. Okay, so first arc is S, L, M, right. Arc S, L, M and arc, you can see another arc S, N, M, right. S, N, M. Got it? Now second sub question of question number 1 is, write the names of the arcs with the end points L and N. You can see here L and N. Now first arc is L, M, N. Arc L, M, N, right. L, M, N. Second one is L, S, N. Arc L, S, N. Done. Second question is, write the names of arcs that points A, B, C and D in the given circle give rise to. Means ये सर्कल में से हमको चारों पॉइंट यूज करके जितने आर्क बन रहे हैं उसका नाम बताना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल टेक पॉइंट A and C. Now we will name the arc with end points A and C. Okay, A and C. So first arc is A, B, C. Okay, arc A, B, C. You can see here arc A, B, C. Now second arc is arc A, D, C. Arc A, D, C. Okay, now we will take point B and D. Now we will name the arc with end point B and D. Okay, B and D. So first arc is BAD, arc BAD, and second one is arc BCD, arc BAD and arc BCD. Question number 3. Give the names of the arcs that are made by points P, Q, R and S, P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. Okay, we have to name the arcs with endpoints P, Q, R and S, T in the figure. Okay, so let's start. So first we will make the pair of the points, then we will name according to that. Okay, so first point, first pair of the point is point Q and S. Now point Q is here and S is here. So first arc with the point Q and S is RQRS, right? Arc QRS, QRS. Now second arc is QTS, arc QTS, QTS. You can also say arc QPS. Done. Now second pair of point is R and T. Okay, now R is here and T is here. So first arc is RPT, arc RPT. Then you can also say arc RQT, it's up to you. Second arc is arc RST, you can see RST, right? Got it? Now I'm taking points S and P. Now S is here and P is here. So first arc is arc STP, right? Second arc is arc SRP. Done. Now points Q and T. Q is here and T is here. So first arc is QPT, arc QPT. Second arc is QST. Done. Got it? Question number 4 is the homework. Measure and note down the circumference of different circular objects. You have to see the objects around you and you have to measure the circumference of that circle. Got it? So we are done with problem set number 31. So with this we complete chapter number 7. So it means we have completed portion of semester 1. Done. Thank you.